Hi guys, we recently exclusively reported that MediaTek is working on a new 6nm chip codenamed NextG, which will be announced towards the end of the year, with Doogee being one of the first brands to use it. Now a reliable source tells us that it will be a Doogee S98 series smartphone that will be powered by this MediaTek chip. I've been doing a little bonus lately. If you want to hear about it, watch the video to the end. While we don't have any other details about this smartphone, our source tells us that Doogee will launch 3 more devices under the S98 series, dubbed S98, S98 Pro, and S98 Ultra. The Pro and Ultra versions are expected to go official in April or May, but the vanilla model is likely to release next month, and we've got its full specs and pictures for you. The Doogee S98 will be powered by the Helio G96 SoC, and have 8GB RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage on board. However, it will also have a dedicated micro South Dakota card slot for storage expansion up to 512GB. On the software front, you'll get Android 12 out of the box, and Doogee will provide at least 3 years of security and Android version updates. The S98 will pack a 6.3-inch LCD of Full HD Plus resolution with Gorilla Glass protection, and a pixel density of 409 ppi. It will have a water drop notch for the 16-megapixel selfie shooter using Samsung's S5K3P9SP sensor. Around the back, we have another display. It's circular and reminds us of the Huawei P50 Pocket. We are told this screen will support custom wallpapers and double up as a viewfinder, allowing users to take selfies with rear cameras. Speaking of rear cameras, the Doogee S98 will sport a triple camera system on the back consisting of 64-megapixel primary and 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 130 degrees Fahrenheit OV, units joined by a 20-megapixel night vision camera, which will use a Sony IMX350 sensor. These cameras will be accompanied by a primary flash, placed below the circular screen, and 2 infrared night vision lights positioned below the primary camera located on the right side of the secondary display. The Doogee S98 will be 15.5mm thick and weigh 320 grams. It will pack a 6000 mAh battery with 33W wired and 15W wireless charging support, and have 3 color options: champagne gold, chestnut red, and silver gray. The rest of the Doogee S98 highlights include a side-mounted fingerprint reader, IP68 and 69K dust and water resistance, and MIL STD 810G certification. It will also have a customizable key on the left side frame, but won't come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Besides, the smartphone will come with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and NFC, region-dependent, but no 5G connectivity. We don't know how much the Doogee S98 will cost, but since it's expected to go official next month, we may hear more about its pricing and availability in the coming days. Circling back to the Doogee S98 Pro and S98 Ultra, our source tells us that the former will come with a Starlight night vision camera, while the latter will feature a thermal imaging camera. Have you forgotten about the bonus yet? Let me tell you a little riddle. I'm waiting for the answer in the comments below. I fly, yet I have no wings. I cry, yet I have no eyes. Darkness follows me. Low light I never see. I hope the video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.